I'm Joel Fairbrother from Bow River Law in Calgary, Alberta. We're an employment law office, and we represent employers, employees, any workplace dispute, really. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, if my boss fires me just before I was supposed to get a bonus, do they still have to pay it to me? This is a very complicated question. The rule is normally the employee would have received something during their severance period or reasonable notice period, but the only reason they're not going to be receiving it is because their employment was terminated. Then they will receive it. However, in some cases, the employer has an employment agreement or a bonus plan document that will attempt to prevent the employee from getting the bonus. But even if you have something like that, I mean, don't despair. You need to speak to an employment lawyer because in many cases, those plans or the employment agreement, whatever it is, it can be unenforceable. Courts generally don't like to allow employers to take away something the employee would have received shortly after termination. So in many cases, the courts will find a way around it. Either it's not clear enough or it violates some other law. So I would say the answer is it depends. In many cases, you are entitled to a bonus and that would have been paid to you after termination. Even if the employer says they have discretion or something like that, in many cases, you're still entitled to it. So again, I'm Joel Fairbrother from Bow River Law in Calgary, Alberta, and I hope this has been helpful.